So now I'm talking about set data structure. Right. So set is basically, it's a mathematical concept where to perform intersection, difference, union, subset, superset, all these operations we used to perform with the help of set operations, right? So basically, set data structure is declared with curly braces, flower braces. Okay. Set data structure is mutable data structure. It can be allowed to be, change the elements of the set. Okay. And the set data structure is holds heterogeneous elements. Set data structure is never allowed duplicate elements. Set data structure never allowed duplicate elements. Even though the list or tuples may allow duplicate values, if you convert as a set, the duplicate all elements will be eliminated. I'll be give you the justifications. That's what the names of the people never become a unique. The names are repeated. If you become a customer in Amazon, you have your own unique ID. If you become a student in a college, even though you have a name as unique, but still you have a roll number. Because the name is always having a alias names. The names are always having a duplicate names. Therefore, we shouldn't consider the name as the unique. Clear? So even though either list or tuple wanted to convert as a set to avoid duplicates in them. Clear? List lo tuples lo వాటిలలో కొన్నిసార్లు మీకు ఎంట్రీస్ లో అడుగుతుంటారు. So there is a list of names. I wanted to eliminate duplicate names. How to do that? You need not to think more. Just you convert list into a set such a way that the final list will be given to you without any duplicate values. You need not to write a single line at all. Clear? And there is a very important noticeable point is that set does not maintain insertion order, which means what? See, you will be prepare a list, right? Anu, Balu, like that. While inserting, you will be inserted into one order. After they processed, their orders are going to be changed. Their positions would be changed. As the set does not maintain any insertion order, there is a noticeable point is that set is not applicable with index or slice operator concepts. Sets lo dictionary lo index lo pancheyu because that doesn't allow duplicate values. All the elements are going to be unique. We have to maintain with the unique values. The phone number is unique. Email ID is unique, isn't it? As all email IDs and names are unique, why you are bothering about the index value? Clear? So set and dictionary never applicable with the indexing value. Strings, list, tuple are allowed to be maintained indexing from 0 to n-1 from left to right and -1 to -n from right to left. These are the way how exactly they would maintain the things. Great. Okay. So yes, let's go ahead with and yeah, there is another note. Empty set only created with built-in function set, because dictionary and set both declared with curly braces. Let me show you how they will be different from each other. Here now, set data structure. I am just declaring set 1 is equal to this. It is an empty set, right? Let me check, what exactly type of set 1. You see the output? It will show you as a dictionary, because even dictionary is also be declared with the same. So therefore, empty dictionary cannot be declared with a empty braces. Now within the dictionary, I'll be add elements. Now you see the output. Yes or no? Whereas there is a dictionary. Dictionary will hold the value in the form of a key value page, which means 040 is the STD code for the header value. Now you see that. Clear? So the way of declaration is different in the dictionary, but it will be recognized as a dictionary. But empty set does not allow to be created with curly braces, because by default it will be treated as a dictionary. That's a small difference. You have to be noticed that. Clear? Yeah. Okay. Now next, let's go with dictionary. So set is also allowed heterogeneous elements, which means what? Any elements, any data types are allowed. Like suppose, 401 is a student number. So branch is CSC. It will be allowed. Anything will be allowed. Please, you have to understand, do you find any difference? I told that the set does not maintain an insertion order. And what does it mean? While inserting 401 is the first element, this is second element, third element, fourth element, sixth element. But what is happening here? Positions have been changed. It has come first. 401 is here. CS is this. Anudeep is this. One is this. Completely the order of the elements have been changed. Yes or no? Okay. What I'll do? I'll be create another list, another set. There are duplicate elements are there. Now try to print it. So no duplicate values are going to be considered. It will be eliminated before going to process. And order of the elements will be changed always. Clear? So there are built-in functions like just let me, yeah. Please, you have to do that. Set built-in functions we have. They are union, intersection, reference, subset, superset. So there is a related file I have forward in the WhatsApp group. Please open that. Where is that? Yes. Set is there. So please open it and try to perform all these operations on the set data structure. So how do you perform set? Like we have to create two sets and you try to apply the union function using this, such a way that the output desired out mathematically and programmatically you are going to get the same. Yes or no? Great. So like similarly intersection, all these operations you have to practice because you have learned how to create a set data structure. Next, dictionary. Dictionary data structure. So basically, dictionary data structure is mutable. See, dictionary, set, and list are the mutable. Strings, tuples, and numbers are the immutable. That classification already told you that over. Now, the dictionary is represented with curly braces. Clear? And dictionary does not maintain any insertion order. Dictionary is hold the data in the form of key:(value) form. This key value form is also known as JSON format. The JSON full form is JavaScript Object Notation Format. You can search what exactly what is JSON. JSON is nothing but JavaScript Object Notation. This data is very powerful data in interchange format between electronic devices. Human to readable card. That will be electronic to electronic devices will be always exchange the data in the form of a JSON format. It's very more powerful format, and obviously you can see that how exactly JSON data is look like. Right now, JSON is JavaScript notation. It is a text format for storing and transporting the data between electronic devices. So this is the format. Name John, age 30, in between colon will be there. Car null. Null ante ledu, car ledu. Oka person unda leda ante ledu. Yes or not? So MongoDB, all NoSQL databases will be make use of the data format like this kind of format. So dictionary JSON will be the same. Very, very, very important in real-time scenario. Everywhere now MongoDB databases are using. Clear? So please you thoroughly understand that. how dictionary is going to be more powerful here. So just let me just give you the declaration of dictionary data structure. Just simply dictionary 2 is equal to, here we can able to specify there is an IP address that 106.111.25.2. This is the IP address which is assigned to the Venkat. So IP address is the key. Venkat will be the value. Value will be can be repeated, but IP address will be the same. Similarly, 102.25.255. Colon, and there is a person called as Anu. What happens here? Yeah. Like any number of things can be added to the dictionary. So as a whole, if you wanted to print DIC2, then it will be display you in the form of a dictionary format. What happens? Venkat, okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So this is the way how exactly happens. This is the key. After the colon, this is the value. This is the key. After the colon, this is the value. So if you wanted to know with the built-in functions, what are the keys and what are the things, just simply print, isn't it? DIC2 dot keys. Yes or no? You just print, it will be give you only keys. You see? But if you wanted to print only values, you can able to print DIC2 dot values. They are the built-in functions. Again, the dictionary is following in what format? You see, innerly it is following a list. The output returned by the dictionary will be list. So that's what list, tuples, dictionary sets are very quite commonly they would be used whatever the software engineer you are, whether a testing engineer, whether you are electronic engineer, whether embedded system engineer, whether a developer, whether you are a DevOps engineer, these data structure are quite commonly used universally. Are you clear? So please now. So just I have given what are the functions to be applied on the dictionary. డైనమిక్ గా డిక్షనరీ ఎట్లా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, అప్డేట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి, చాలా ఫంక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి దాంట్లో. ఇప్పుడు మీరు లిస్ట్, టపుల్, సెట్, డిక్షనరీ ఈ 4 లో ఉన్న అన్ని ఫంక్షన్స్ నాకు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసి చూపించాలి. సో ఐ హావ్ సెంట్ యూ ఆల్ దిస్ ఓవర్ హియర్. ప్లీజ్ ఓపెన్ ఈచ్ వన్, isn't it? Try to type or else you execute. Make sure that you have to remember all of this. I'll be back within half an hour. Please complete all of this, right? So online people like, Vamshi, sorry, Prasanna, Kaushik, Srinivas and Swarup, please for you also, I hope I have recorded this particular sessions. I'm going to upload to the YouTube now. Please you go through these particular things and try to complete the assignments related to that. And meanwhile, I'm going to send you right now relevant assignments, relevant MCQs to you. Please, you have to be complete them. Yeah, I'm just sending you here assignments, tuple, strings, sets, list, dictionary, dictionary comprehension, list comprehension, list comprehension. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes. And I'm going to send you the MCQs too.